Got Xavier here, boy DJ in the back. We're heading out to a car meet right now up in Lakewood. So that should get interesting. I'll catch y'all when we get there. Alright, so made it to the meet. Right now, bro, there's some crazy things going on. Crazy things going on. Right now we're getting everything situated, camera-wise and shit like that. We pretty much made it to the meet and shit. Yeah, I got the long one. Boy DJ in the cut. Yeah, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's the fit, bro. Alright, put your hoodie on. You fucking up the fit, bro. Oh, you right. I'm messing up fits and shit. Hold on. It's fucked up. We get fucked up. Right, I think it just died on me. Everybody ain't no real nigga. If I say I got you, I got you. And it's fucked up. We get fucked up. Just I'm gonna try this in 7 minutes of that. Yo. God damn. It's wrong. This shit's fucking crazy, bro. This shit's out fucking rageous, bro. Out fucking rageous, bro. Yo, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fuck. Look at the Miata. Oh my god. Yo. Brother. Oh yeah. Oh my god. I'm sorry in advance. That's not coming out. That's not coming out. Oh, that's staying. Other bag? Bags. Yo. Got the new sponsor. Y'all see it, bro. My boy's sponsored now. Finally. Yo. Start down here. There's gonna be more showing up, so. I got you with this one. I bet. Fuck. Oh my god. Bro, this is fucking crazy. This is fucking crazy, bro. Oh my god, bro. Your boy's in love, bro. Your boy's in love, bro. I'm unlocking this stabilizer, bro. Yo, brother. I got you.
Right here, bro. Tomorrow banner, bro. We up and growing. All of us right here.
Y'all heard that, bro. City Angels, go tap in, yo. Yo. Bro, this man right here, bro. Oh my God.
Hey, my boy, can you put the banner on in a bit?
So what?
You're gonna put a banner on. You can show our banner.
I got you.
Yeah. Bro, it's called the Worldwide Street Team. It's stand, speed, swimming, whatever you want, bro. You're part of it.
I got you.
If you love cars, bro, we're finna do a drop next month on the 8th.
Yeah?
Tap in on Instagram. They'll send you a prototype.
I got you, bro.
Tell me if you think it's hard or not.
So what?
Tell me if you think it's hard or not.
For sure. Bro.
No hoodies, bro. 528, bro.
Y'all see that?
Hey. No, bro, mine's this one. M55, stage 2. I don't think I can still play it.
This you right here?
Yeah, bro. This is BTD, you know, Born to Die?
Yo,
What do you think, bro?
that's fucking hot.
You think it's tough?
That's hot.
Hey,
I'll cop. Hey, I'll cop.
Bro, we're trying to make them cheap, like 30 bucks, and everybody got it.
Alright, good. That's a good.
What's up? Yeah, I don't know.
Yo,
Bro, should I step on? You think I can do it?
this shit's already getting crazy, bro. Doing good. How about you, bro?
Jacob, bro. Nice to meet you.
Trey.
Hey, I gotta get this, bro. That's Jacob, bro. Nice to bro.
Bro, the wagon's crazy, bro. Fuck, bro. Fuck. This man, bro.
I like how the M55 sounds. I think
Dude, it sounds fucking beautiful. Those burbles, bro.
mine are lower but louder.
Man. Yo.
We're finna put that bitch on right now.
Look, they putting a banner on the Audi right now. Run me through the process. What y'all doing, man?
So we pretty much started as like a joke between friends, and now it's kind of a crew / brand in a way.
Yeah.
We have hoodies that we drop, shirts, hats,
Bro,
stickers,
just
everything.
a bunch of dudes with the same passion, bro. Bunch of dudes with the same passion. It don't matter what you like, bro. As long as you have the same passion, you're welcome, right?
Yes, sir.
Help a brother out, bro. I will.
Alright. So right now they're going through putting a banner on the back representing their brand and shit.
I'll hold this. You work.
Which y'all should go cop. It's kind of fire. DJ, what's your thoughts, bro?
I ain't gonna
gonna lie, bro. I'm new to this, not true to this. But I'm fucking with it. I ain't gonna lie. I'm fucking with it.
Yo.
I'm fucking with it.
Yeah.
That shit, like, I don't know, like, some of this shit, like, how can I explain it? I feel like I'm a new person. I don't know shit. I know shit about cars, but like, not like explaining like alien and shit. But like, I'm learning. You said something about gutters or something? Oh, Rubbers?
Yeah. The little. Damn, how can I explain it?
Like the little poppy shit?
Nah, it's after that. Like the little. It's like a little rumble. It's,
After
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I see what you know. I do.
I'm kind of scared of this stuff. I don't see when it sounds like that.
They said it's low, bro.
We should have that.
Brother. Yo, this shit's already getting lit, bro. Already getting lit. Already, bro. Some bikes down over that way. A whole bunch of shit. We about to definitely go that way. Cause you know me.
Like when I was
How you feeling? How you feeling?
Besides worrying about my car, I'm pretty good, I guess.
Look at Eleanor, bro. Look at Eleanor, yo. Look at her, bro. She's so beautiful. Got the GoPro on the roof. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. That Z's going crazy, bro. Yo.
I swear it looks so nice.
Fuck, brother. It's on bags. It's on bags.
What was that? Oh,
he was scraping for a second.
Oh my god. Alright. We're trying to go back to that banner. We're gonna go back to what we was working on. Yo. Alright. Let's get double check on the banner here.
Bro, K didn't come?
find these bikes. Hold on.
I saw a video on TikTok not long ago.
Let's go, y'all.
I want to go there.
Oh yeah, I know how to get it.
Look at this lineup. We got an R1. Got the S1K. Another S1K. Damn. CT5C.
You know this shit better than me, ain't gonna lie.
Boy. Oh, man. I'm getting mine soon, bro.
Hey, really?
I'm getting it soon, bro. I'm getting a Gixxer 750.
Yeah, you got it. Hey, hold on. Let me show you my shirt real quick.
All right, bet. I got you.
Oh, he's got you.
I need to know who's got the S1Ks.
So, I don't know. It says Jix on the front and then on the back.
Bro, that's tough.
His wife makes it.
Really?
Yeah, she made this. Ask him about it.
Him? Yo, I need to get one of those shirts, bro.
Shirts,
I need to get one of those shirts. Oh my gosh. So what?
I said, get in contact with me. I'll get you one.
What you got? What you got?
It's right up to the DNA.
I bet. Brother. Oh my god, bro. This S1K though, that's fire. That's fire. Golly. Got an R10 for the Alpine, okay. Yo. Oh my god, I'm in love, bro. I'm in love, bro. Like all over again, bro. I got a 63. You got the 66. That's 1K for sure. That's fucking hot, bro. Oh.
That's why I knew he was over here. I knew he was like, I think he's gonna be over here.
There's dark horse behind us too.
So what?
I said there's dark horse behind us too.
Oh.
You didn't know this?
No. Damn. He's got no slicks? He's got no drags, bro. Supercharged. Oh. Oh my god. Bro. I'm in love. It's nice. Who's in the Rari? Who's in the Rari? So what?
No, it ain't mine. I know it's a kid car.
It's a Lotus? Oh shit.
This one's mine. No,
This one's yours?
this one's his.
Dude,
This one's mine.
this is hot, bro.
Oh yeah, no,
You don't mind being filmed, do you? Hold on, I'll be back. Do it one more time, bro. One more time, brother. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. Yo. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bro, this S1K is so fucking hot, bro.
This shit is fucking.
It's hot, bro. It's hot. What exhaust you got on here?
That's a full acro.
What'd you say you had? God damn, man. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. Yo, I swear. I feel like a little fucking kid right now, bro. You can't make this up, bro. Bro. Yo. Alright, back to what you were saying about the exhaust, bro. What you got on here?
It's a full Akrapovic. I don't know how to say that, but it's full titanium from the header all the way back.
Brother.
If you see up underneath it, it's all blue and purple.
Bro.
He's like, fuck it, I'm gonna do
Dude, I knew some bikes was gonna be here, bro. This is what I came for. Fuck all the powers, bro. Bikes is me. This is me. This is me.
Harry, what are you feeling for food?
This is me, bro. Dude, I can't wait to get the Jixer, bro.
Do it.
It should be like the next few weeks to a month. My girl's still working on it.
Yeah. Then you'll be out here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need some riding buddies. I
I'm
need some
on the way.
riding
I'm
buddies.
on the way from 40.
From 40?
Yeah.
I'll make it drive. I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping.
But my store is in Mansfield, Jack's Wax.
What you got? What is it? Jack's Wax?
Yeah, it's a detailing supply.
All right, bud. Cause oh man.
Your turn. Pull up.
I would ask to sit on it, but like I'm not gonna do that, bro.
Carbon wheels.
Bro, factory or no?
Yeah, that's factory.
He's gonna park over here.
X?
Yeah.
Okay. Bro, it's got the carbon fiber. It's got the. Oh my God, I'm getting these same mirrors too.
They're nice.
Bro, it's high, bro.
Appreciate it.
Oh man.
I fuck with the lights, bro.
What's your name?
Nathan.
Nathan. Nice to meet you, Barry. I'm Trey.
Harry's like,
It's
Smurf Whips on Instagram.
Smurf Whips?
Yep.
Look at him, bro. Dude, I already got my helmet and shit, bro. I'm just waiting for the bike, bro.
See? There you go. You already set.
Hey, just look away. Act like it's not your car.
I'm in love, bro.
I am too.
What helmet is this?
It's K6S ATV.
Press Pro. Oh, what's so cool is when they leave. Hey, it was a DTR here this whole time. He left.
What?
It was a DTR.
Bro.
It was a fucking DTR here this whole time. I didn't see it, bro. Yeah.
Dude. You said Smurf Whips?
Yes, sir.
I'll go tap in with him, man.
5
Dude.
That shit hot.
I want to rep it so bad.
Do it, bro. Stop being a bitch and ask these people. I got you, bro. Yeah, that's the rabbit. What on? That's the headband.
Get it, bro. Like my love for bikes.
I get you love. What the hell are you crying for?
I ain't crying, bro. I ain't crying yet, bro. I ain't crying yet, bro.
What we need to do is next meet, we gotta buy a bunch of those bells and bring them.
Yeah, most definitely.
Because I mean, there's a few on here.
Bro, I already got another compliment from my outfit again.
Yeah.
Bro.
Another one?
Yeah, she just walked. One of the biker girls walked by.
She said I'm on my bit.
Yeah.
Like, bro, I do this.
Hey, watch out, watch out.
I do this. Like,
Oh, it's stretched. Oh my god, it's stretched. It's stretched. It's stretched. No, we're talking to this guy right now, bro. What's good, bro? How you doing? Good, bro. Alright, let me know. Run me through everything. Aren't you got on it right now? I need to know. I saw the stretch. I'm like, yes. Let me know, man.
okay, I didn't know that. Yeah.
So what? What you got done to it? It's nice, man. What's your name? Rob? I'm Trey. I'm getting a Gixxer 750. Yeah. Soon. By soon, I mean probably like in the next like few weeks to a month. I need some riding. Yo. What's up? You were saying, watch out. Cops coming. Cops coming.